Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I will teach you how to draw a realistic eye using Crayola crayons. I hope you already watched my previous tutorials, the gridding system and the proper shading after proceeding into this tutorial. Watch it link description below, and proceed to this tutorial. Let's begin! In the dot side, first mistake is shading vertically and shading without pressure. In shading crayons, always remember shade dark to light style. We already discussed it in the previous video. Second mistake, in shading, especially in the eyeball part, apply the crayons in circular motion, to produce a smooth effect. Another mistake, don't blend separately, it will look flat and not realistic. In doing realistic drawing, mostly done by smooth coloring. If you want to draw a realistic drawing, you need the smooth shading or coloring. In making eyelashes, don't make it straight, the real eyelashes are curved. If you want to draw realistic, try to copy all the details. Let's proceed with the do side. After that, please support our channel, for more art tutorial and drawing for you. In making realistic eye, using crayon. Firstly, draw the outline of the eye, especially the outline of the dark area. Apply the crayon dark to light pressure, and in circular motion. Use the white crayon to blend the color, especially in faded area. Lastly, make some of the details for the eye, more details the more it looks realistic, and draw the eyelashes curve. The secret in realistic drawing, is always find the value, where the light and dark portion, and try to copy all the details in the reference. You don't need expensive material to draw, sometimes crayon is enough to do realistic thing.